やさしい日本語の始まり The beginning of easy Japanese. Hello, beautiful friends. We had a big earthquake in Tohoku region a few days ago. I want you to know that we have some easy Japanese in case something happens or in daily life. I'll tell you today about the beginning of easy Japanese. Many foreigners live in Japan. All of them can't understand Japanese properly. I hope this would help you and for those who will visit Japan someday because we have a lot of earthquakes here. 優しい日本語の始まり。優しい日本語とは普通の日本語よりも簡単で外国人にもわかりやすい日本語のことです。1995年1月の阪神・淡路大震災では、日本人だけでなく、日本にいた多くの外国人も被害を受けました。その中には、日本語も英語も十分に理解できず、必要な情報を受け取ることができない人もいました。そこで、そうした人たちが災害発生時に適切な行動を取れるように考え出されたのが優しい日本語の始まりです。そして優しい日本語は災害時のみならず平時における外国人への情報提供手段としても研究され、行政情報や生活情報、毎日のニュース発信など全国的に様々な分野で取り組みが広がっています。世界には多くの言語があります。すべての外国人に対して母語で情報を伝えることが一番理想的ですが、現実的には不可能です。そこで言語の選択という問題が生じます。多言語対応協議会では、多言語対応の基本的な考え方を2014年に定め、日本語プラス英語およびピクトグラムによる対応を基本としつつ、需要、地域特性、視認性などを考慮し、必要に応じて中国語、韓国語、さらにはその他の言語も含めて多言語化を実現とし取り組みを進めています。しかし、言語の中でも難易度があるため、とりわけ多くの外国人が理解できる日本語において、できるだけわかりやすい情報発信、優しい日本語が求められます。Translation: Easy Japanese is easier than ordinary Japanese and is easy for foreigners to understand.The Great Hanshin-Awaji earthquake in January 1995 affected not only Japanese but also many foreigners in Japan. Some of them couldn't understand Japanese and English well and couldn't receive the necessary information. Therefore, the beginning of Easy Japanese was devised so that such people could take appropriate actions in the event of a disaster. Easy Japanese has been researched not only as a means of providing information to foreigners in times of disaster, but also in peacetime, and efforts have spread nationwide in various fields, such as administrative information, daily life information, and daily news transmission. There are many languages in the world. It is most ideal to convey information in your native language to all foreigners, but in reality it is not possible.That raises the question of language choice. The Multilingual Support Council established the basic concept of multilingual support in 2014, and it is necessary to consider demand, regional characteristics, visible, etc. while basically responding in Japanese plus English and pictograms. In the response, we have realized multilingualism, multilingualization, including Chinese, Korean, and other languages. However, due to the difficulty of the language, it is required to disseminate information as easy as possible. Easy Japanese, especially in Japanese that many foreigners can understand. 例えば、for example, 今朝 to 今日朝 this morning to today morning 危険 to 危ない danger 確認する to よく見る confirm to watch 警戒する気をつける be careful 亀裂が入っている建物 to 地震で壊れた建物 building with cracks to the building broken in the earthquake. Reference. This is very helpful, I think. Thank you.